In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect electronic drums to Guitar Hero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any model of electronic drums that you have with Clone Hero. Even though you are able to do this with the standard Guitar Hero games, I chose to showcase it with Clone Hero because it has much better support for any instrument that you connect, including electronic drums. For this video, I chose to use the Alesis Nitro Max as an example, but any electronic drum should work. So for this particular model, you will be connecting the module to a computer using this port here. So all that you have to do is plug a USB-B cable into the module, and then the other end, which should be USB-A, into your PC or laptop. This is going to be the way to establish a connection between this electronic drum kit and your PC or laptop running Clone Hero. Of course, if you have a different connection time, most commonly MIDI, then you can use those cables instead. Basically, you have to establish a connection between the module and your PC. As long as that has been established, you will be good to go. So make sure that you establish the connection accordingly, depending on which cable your specific module and PC uses, and once this connection has been established, you are basically good to go. Clone Hero should automatically detect the electronic drum kit that you connected, and you will be able to set it up inside of the game. So as you can see at the bottom, you have all of these press start options. These are going to be all of the profiles that you have, so select any of them and you will be able to browse through everything by using A, S, and the arrow keys. So usually A is going to be select, so you can press A to confirm instead of enter. You can research if the version of the game that you are playing also uses these bindings, but to keep it simple, press A or press enter to open up this menu. Choose any of the profiles that you have once one has been created, and then the first thing that you should do is go to input device. In here, if your electronic drum kit was properly detected, you should be able to find it at the top right over here. If you don't see it, use the left and right arrow keys to browse through all of the input devices currently connected to your PC. As long as the electronic drum kit appears here, you are good to go. You can now go back, and if you go into the mappings section, secondly, you will be able to control all of the bindings. So you will have access to the red pad, yellow pad, blue pad, and so on, and you can change all of these. You just have to select them and then hit the specific pad that you want to assign to the bind that you chose here. Once everything has been assigned and you have selected your electronic drum kit as the input device, you are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect electronic drums to Guitar Hero. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.